Might have spotted some wild chicken.
Tell them what you think you found.
I think it's either Reishi or chicken of the woods. We scoped it from just driving by, like down the slope here on the side of the road. But it's down in like a nice, like watery, natural area where the water's flowing. It looks like a healthy spot. So I'm gonna go scale down this mountain.
I'm gonna observe from the top. They're huge. Right down there.
Down there, dude. There's a lot going on that. I'll use the tree to my advantage.
Looks like there's a swamp area.
Dude, reishi mushroom, bro.
Reishi mushrooms. Dang, dude. This'll get you the woods legs, dude.
Yeah, man, that was awesome.
Let's check them out, man. You gotta do a review. We gotta do something here. Good job. This is the lucky quartz crystal we put here earlier too in front of the car. It's paying dividends. Whoa. That doesn't even look real,
I know.
dude. Oh my gosh.
It's insane.
That looks unbelievable. We've never found something like that around where we are.
Oh, I know, dude. It's insane.
This area has been giving and giving. We're in the Allegheny, so
Yeah.
basically dead center in Pennsylvania. But that is freaking wicked.
Yeah.
You just fry them up, I assume?
Yep. Just cook them up.
Oh, man.
Started.
Say it's gone. Got this epic reishi mushroom here. Just gonna prepare it up a little bit. Get rid of some of this. It's interesting. It's like
brown all the way through.
nah, it gets white again. Probably. Maybe just even cut this whole piece off, you know?
It's a tough one.
It is a tough one, man. Yeah, that's gonna be a meaty
looks like
shroom.
a piece of meat.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep this off the side and just go for the easy, get some stuff started, and then I'll work on trying to save these ugly pieces. I just rip this thing off, you know, like, there you go, you know. Keep it simple. I think that's fine. I'm not too worried about that. I mean,
it looks like it's from when you were harvesting it. You know, it's all fingerprints, so it's probably just from bruising.
Oh yeah, bruises. See,
It's just
press it, it just
bruising.
bruises it.
That's all it is. Dude, it was completely white when you got it.
Yeah, I took a photo of it completely white, so I know it was too. That's good. All right, so
It's been in the book bag for maybe an hour or so, 2 hours. So it's not long at all. Look at that, dude. Hold on, let me.
These things are gnar, man. Probably looks more appealing to cut it this angle. Wow, look at this. If you start doing that, it's gonna
fray.
You gotta keep it pretty, you know. It's real tough.
It smells really good though. Some mushrooms have like a bad smell until you cook them. Look at that. Look at that heart. Look at the layers.
I mean, maybe we'll just save the rest of this for later.
Save that for dinner or something in case we don't find
these ones for later.
In case we don't find the chanterelles.
Yeah, let's get these.
It's like the final mushroom we haven't found.
We can only fit so much in here anyway. Just a little in there, you know. Make it taste real good. Some garlic too, you know. Garlic, you just do some a little bit like that. It's a thick one. Maybe we should. I don't know. I'm just gonna let it go, man. It's gonna be fine.
You know how we like them.
Yeah.
Crispy. This is a crispy campsite right here.
And just a little bit more garlic on top for good luck. Just like your nail, you know, the nails like the garlic, so let's give it what it wants.
Good for it. It's good for your nails.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty good. All right.
So this is gonna be anti-fatigue medicine.
Yeah.
For the
second round later.
Second round, we're gonna take hiking. Nice bed of coals. See when it's done. Just try this thing out. She's looking nice, dude. Give him a flip.
Wow, look at that one, got crispy quick.
Yeah. Dude, they smell amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. That smells great. Like I said, this is a crispy camp, dude.
I might need a little bit more oil, just so.
It absorbed a lot of that oil.
Yeah, the mushrooms always absorb a ton of oil, so you gotta kind of keep an eye on it. Might need to hit it with more, or else it'll get too dry. You want to. That's gonna be real good though.
I gotta go get the freaking. Back in there.
That's pretty good. Yeah, stick around.
Good toss.
Yeah, that was a nice toss, dude. Yeah. All right.
Good job, chef.
All right, we got our reishi mushrooms. Look at that. It looks so weird.
Picked a nice crispy piece. This thing looks nice.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Bon appetit. Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like it's a texture I've never had before.
Yeah.
It's extremely good.
Tastes like some barbecue.
Dude, it tastes like barbecued garlic chicken.
It makes you have to chew good for it, but you want to, because it's like there's a lot of
Really
flavor.
good.
There's a lot of flavor getting released. Wow. Yeah.
I give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, I love it.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And that's just very plain and basic. You know, if you added that to a chili or like to anything.
Yeah, I would cook it like slow cook it for a long while. Really get it cooked clear on the inside, nice and tender. Yeah. It's good for now.
Overall, I think it lived up to its hype.
Yeah.
Pretty damn good, dude. Pretty damn good.
All right, we're gonna pig out more.